Hi, my beautiful teacher. Today I'm going to talk about the endangered animals. What are endangered animals? Endangered animals that the animals are almost gone or the animals are already gone. These are the animals that our teacher shows us. The Palestinian gazelle, the polar bear, the wild Bactrian camel, the leatherback sea turtle, the Sudan, the black rhino, and Javan, and the
Asian
elephant, and the blue whale.
Okay, so why are they endangered?
Because they hunt them. They hunt them for their meat, their eggs, their fur, and their tusks, and their horns.
Okay.
Is
there any reason for?
Yes, there is any reason. Pollution.
Yes.
Pollution and global warming and no habitat.
Changing habitat.
No.
Okay. So how can we protect them?
Protect them with WWF.
This is an organization.
And the logo is a cute animal, and it's black and white. It eats bamboo, and it's so clumsy and lazy.
Guess.
And guess what it is? It's air.
Yes. Yes. Remove. It is a.
It's air.
Wow. Correct. Okay. What is this WWF?
WWF. It's the logo for collecting money to save the animals.
Bravo.
And the reason why the panda is endangered.
Yeah.
Because they're so they hunt for them for their fur and their babies.
Ah.
And their fur and their babies.
Very cute.
And they are so clumsy. Sometimes they sleep on their babies. The babies are dying. But the panda only make one baby a year.
Yes. So that's why it doesn't have.
That's why it doesn't have babies.
Okay. So another thing of why being endangered is the bamboo. Is bamboo a lot in the world or what?
The bamboo is not a lot, so they eat them all, and there's no more bamboo, so they'll die.
Great. So do you like panda?
Yes, I love panda.
Okay. Do you want to protect it?
Yes.
How many pandas remained in the world?
3,000.
Okay. What do you want to say to your friends and teacher at the end?
Bye, my friends and first grade. Bye, my wonderful teacher. I'll see you at the next video.
Thank you.